Antonio. I'm going to show you my entry for the challenge WordTest Brief Management 1. So this is the screen, it's the only screen in the application, and we can see a table with all the briefs, and we can add a new one with this button. So we can see here all the fields are empty, and now, for example, name and description, they are required. So we get this red light here, and if we input something, we will see that this changes. So let's input this. This is on the directive, so we can set any field as required. So I'm going just to let the description without a value, click save, see what happens, and it shows an error, name and description are required. So I'm going to input the description. Now this is one kind of directive. This is a text area, and as we can see, when we click we can edit, and when we blur out of the component, it's just shows the value. So there are 4 kinds of directives here. One will be the text directive. We have the date directive here, which has a nice calendar, and we can select date, and it shows the date on view mode. The other could be the required survey. This is a multi-pick list, and if we click, we can see a list of the surveys. So we can just click, or if we want to add it by filtering, we can start typing, and it's like type ahead. So we can on Monday, we hit enter, and we see when we blur, this is showing the values. And the last one could be this one. This allows to select. If we click, we get a model, and we can choose from an image set. In the future, the image will be there, a preview of the image, but for now we can click here, and it says it shows the image set is selected. So when we click save, we can see it has been added. Okay, so if we click here, we enter edit mode, and we can change whatever we want, and for example, set the dates, start and end. When we update, we can see they have been added. We can also delete here with these buttons, and also we have sorting. So we can see the default is name ascending or descending, sorry. So we see this is order by name, but we can order by description, and if we click again, we reverse the order. So this also works, for example, with dates and yeah, other fields. So this is all responsive. So for this part it was easy, because it's not a big challenge to put it on a mobile phone. But for this table, the solution I have adopted is when we go on the table, you can see This is some columns that are not important are removed. So if we go and see like the cell phone could be something like that, so we can still use all the functionality because the fields are here. We can see the functionality. If we go and on a bigger screen, we get the columns back. So I think that's it. So thanks for watching, and